Crypto warning, prepare right now, crypto holders. This is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin technical analysis and price prediction. Let's get right into it. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, what do we see? Well, we have three confirmations that we're going to see more downside for the Bitcoin price. So make sure you guys prepare right now because it looks very bearish. I'm going to explain why. So as you guys know, we did form this bearish formation. We eventually broke down. This was once, this white line right here was once what? Support. But as you guys can see, it's clearly now resistance. If we take a closer look right here on the hourly time frame, what did we see? We saw the price of Bitcoin struggle to break through. It did right here, but we came back down and got rejected. And we went all the way back down. We started testing it, got rejected here, testing it again, and we got rejected. What is this telling us? This is telling us that what? The bears are in control. So we need to be very careful and cautious with entering trades right now. So my advice, not financial advice, is to not enter the crypto market because we are waiting for three events to happen in the month of March. Also on the MACD, it's showing us a red dot with a cross. This is telling us we're going for a sell. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, what does it also tell us? It just crossed for a sell and a red dot. This is telling us a sell. So the next couple hours, pay attention to the Bitcoin price, because we can head down back to this support. And if we break through this support, we're definitely going back down to 22,000. That is my price prediction. Okay. So looking at this also, the 4-hour chart, we have confirmation again. We're bearish. Why? Because the 4-hour time frame could not close above this resistance. Yes, that means the bears are in control right now. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. What does it also tell us on the daily time frame? Yes, we crossed in a red dot on the MACD. It's going for a sell. Also, on the daily time frame, we could not close above this resistance. Once again, the bears are winning. So, overall on the 1 hour, the 4-hour, and 1 hour, it's telling us on the MACD we're going for a sell with a red dot. Also, it's telling us that we can't close above this resistance. So, overall, we are bearish on the Bitcoin price. I do expect it to test today, later on, this support of 22,700. If we break below this, we should expect an immediate price push down to the low $22,000. I'm going to explain why. Let's take a look right now. What do we see on here? On the HTF liquidity, well, we do have lots of money right here sitting around for these Bitcoin whales to grab, around 22,700. I told you if we break below this, we're heading down to this next level, which is $22,000. This is where lots of money can get liquidated and Bitcoin contracts can get expired. So please be careful right now with entering trades on Bitcoin because it can get very volatile right now. I know a lot of you guys just formed this right here, started entering long positions. So you guys need to be careful because we have to wait for the CPI numbers to come out, the Shanghai Ethereum upgrade, as well as the FOMC meeting, because these three events will dictate where the Bitcoin price and the crypto market goes. If things are bullish, we will see a Bitcoin price head to 30,000. If things are bearish, we're going to see the price head back down to 20 and maybe below $20,000. Okay, with that said, let's look at the two main indicators for Bitcoin, S&P 500 and DXY. Looking at the S&P 500, it looks like we're forming another red candle and we're heading back down and testing this support. We need to be very careful because if you break below this, that's going to be a very bearish signal, and that means we're going to complete this 5-way structure, heading possibly as low as 3,200. As for the DXY, what do we see on the DXY? Well, we're seeing that, yes, yesterday it did come back down, it got rejected, but this right here, this white line that was once resistance is now support. We bounced right here, and it looks like we're heading higher. If we head to 106, that's going to be even more bearish for the Bitcoin and crypto market. Now, let's take a look at the Wall Street because today is February 28th, meaning what? It's the last day of February. Look at Wall Street ends sharply down post biggest weekly drop of 2023. Why is that? Well, investors are bracing for the possibility of more aggressive rate hikes from the U.S. Federal Reserve as U.S. economic data pointed to resilient consumers. Do you guys understand? Right now, inflation is very sticky. It all depends on these upcoming 3 events. If we will see inflation cool down, or will we see inflation actually stick? Now, overall, right now, things are bearish from a technical standpoint on the Bitcoin price. So please, the best thing to do right now is not enter any trades. We're going to see the Bitcoin price. This is my price prediction. We're going to see the Bitcoin price head down to $22,000. We're going to see it bounce there, and we're going to see a consolidation for the next week or two between 22 to 23. It's going to be very boring. But what this is prepping for are the 3 events. And in these 3 events, we're going to see a big move towards the end of March. Do you guys understand that? With that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin technical analysis. This is DC Trading. Check out this video right now because YouTube says it's important. With that said, peace.